Hi guys, it's Master Coach Tony Morgan, and I'd just like to mention, if you're a gas engineer, you can watch hundreds of my how-to and overview videos in my ball repair library. More about that at the end of the video. In today's video, we're looking at a EHC Fusion 2, and it's a 9 kilowatt boiler, electric boiler. So I'm just running up and down so you can see it there. So basically, if you look at the panel here, what we've got no heating and hot water. So if you look closely, you can see the bar light flashing. If you can, I'm going to turn the flash off so you can see it better. So now you can see the bar light flashing, so that means it's showing no pressure in the boiler. Now if you press this button here, let's see, so it's showing zero pressure. So just one or two things: either no pressure in the boiler, or there's a problem with the pressure sensor. So what we're going to do, we're going to top up the boiler. We've found the filling loop, we're going to turn it on and see what happens. Now Miles is going to open the filling loop. Open it up, Miles. So you can see the pressure going up. So it is the pressure problem, because you can see it going up. So we need more. Go about 1.3. That's it, stop there, that's it. So you could see there was no pressure in the boiler. That's why the bar light was flashing. The bar light stopped flashing. So this is what you do when you get this situation. Now you can see the temperature going up. We put the demand on because the radiate symbol's showing and the temperature is increasing. I'll also go through this button here and just go through what the functions are. So at the minute it's showing 9 kilowatt output. That's what it is. If you press it again, that's like normal function, anything working. If you press it again, this is set at 75. That's basically the maximum temperature what it's set at. This is the return temperature. This is the flow temperature. This is the flow per minute, and then that's the bar pressure, and then just gone back round again, and that's normal operation. So that's what that button does. So that's the end of today's video. So like I said, you can watch hundreds of my how-to and overview videos. So all you need to do is look in the description below to find out how you can access the ball repair library today. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.